Hi everybody, so today we're just going to look at a review of measurement, and we begin by using the conversion chart. So as you can see from your notes, you go from kilometers to meters, you multiply by 1,000, from meters to centimeters, you multiply by 100, and from centimeters to millimeters, you multiply by 10, and then inversely do the opposite here. So you divide by 10, divide by 100, and then divide by 1000. So example, let's say your question was convert 5.6 kilometers to meters. What you would do is you take 5.6. You're going from kilometers here, you're going to meters, direction of the arrow. So what you do is you multiply your answer by 1000. If you multiply your answer by 1000, your answer is 5,600 meters. Inversely, if you wanted to do one, let's say you were going to go convert 600 millimeters to, again, meters. So first of all, we go millimeters to centimeters. So 600 divided by 10, first of all, is equal to 60 centimeters. And then you go from centimeters to meters. You divide it by 100. Your answer is 0.6 meters. You see here, you divide it by 10 first, you divide it by 1000. You could have, if you wish, you can do it this way, or if you prefer, you can take 600 divided by directly by 1000, because there's 1, 2, 3 zeros, and your answer is the same. So that was the first thing we did when we review measurement. Second thing we do is we look at just basic perimeter. So if you were asked to find the perimeter of a shape, let's say here, basic perimeter, 10 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 8 centimeters, etc. First thing, so the perimeter is all the ways around the outside. So it's all this. It's up here, down, across, across, down, over here. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to fill in the blanks. So we don't know this, but we do know this. We know this is 8, and we know this is 5. So if you have 8, you take away 5, your answer is 3. 5 plus 3 plus 3 is 8. Similarly here, you have 10. You've got as far as 7 here. How many more do you need to get to 10? Or another way of talking it is 7. 10 minus 7. Again, your answer here is 3 centimeters. And then all you do is you add all these together. So you go 10 plus 5 plus 7 plus 3 plus 8. So you got 10, and 10 is 20, and 5 is 25, and 3 is 28. Answer is 36 centimeters. So that's that one. Next we moved on and we learned about circumference of a circle. So circumference of a circle is all the ways around the outside. All the ways the distance around the outside. So the formula, there's two formulas. There's 2 pi r, or you can use 2 pi, pi d. So you can use pi d or 2 pi r. So for example here, let's say in this example we've been given the radius of 3 centimeters. First thing we always do is we write the formula. So step 1 is formula. In this case we're given radius. Radius is halfway across. So we're going to use the formula 2 pi r. Second thing we do is substitute. Here what we're going to do is go 2, we're going to use pi and the pi button, and then my answer here is 3. So then I get my calculator. As you can see from my calculator, clear it. I got 2 times my pi button is here times 3, and my answer is 6 pi. However, I don't want to keep 6 pi, and I'm going to go this, I'm going to go. So the answer is 3 is solve. My answer is equal to 18.8 8, and I'm going to go to 2 decimal places, 5, and the answer is centimeters because it's distance. Similarly, if I want to do one where I'm given the diameter of the circle, so the diameter of the circle given all the ways across, here let's say it's 7 centimeters, so the diameter is all the way across. So the number 1 is again formula like we did last time, so the formula here is pi times d. Second, we do the substitution. So pi times the diameter is 7. And thirdly, we solve. So again, I get my calculator. Clear, I go pi times 7. I find that hard to see. And again, I'm left with pi 7. Press my double arrow button down here at the bottom. So this button at the bottom, double arrow. And my answer is 21.99. 21.99. Answer here is centimeters. Again, it's distance, so I leave it in centimeters. Last thing I'm going to show you for today, to do with review, I'm going to just flip this page around so I don't end up wasting pages, is the circumference or the perimeter of a sector. Pardon me, the perimeter of a sector. So the formula for perimeter of a sector is P is equal to 2 times R plus the degree of the sector over 360 plus 2 pi R. So let's say we've been given a sector here, sector of a circle, and we've been given in here, this is about, let's say, 275 degrees, and the radius here is 5 centimeters. So the first thing we do is always rewrite the formula. So perimeter of a sector is equal to 2 times R plus the degree over 360 plus 2 pi R. Secondly, what we always do is we substitute. So P is equal to 2 times the R here is 5 plus, ideally we can put brackets around this, plus the degree here is 275 divided by 360. Again, you can put brackets here if you wish, plus bracket 2 pi, and again R here is 5. So we do all this. You can do it in sections if you wish, and I'm going to do it in sections just because you mightn't have, although you should have a scientific calculator, T-Inspire, or you might not, and therefore I'll show you in sections. So this is going to be 10 plus 275 divided by 360, 0.76. I'll again go to 2 decimal places, and then the last bit is again 2 pi times 5, 10 pi, or 31.42 plus 31.42. Again, I rounded up to 2 decimal places. So then we just finally add our answers. Plus 0.76 plus 10. Add all these together, and my final answer is 42.175. If I round that, so I'm rounding it up because there's a 5, so it goes up, so the answer is 42.1718. And again, centimeters, it's distance, centimeters. So that's the 3 concepts we cover in the reviewing measurement lesson. So we've looked at perimeter of a basic shape, we looked at circumference of a circle, and we looked at perimeter of a section. Hope this helps. Have a great day.